How are you all? Welcome to my class. I'm good. Welcome to Teaching Methodologies, Primary Classrooms. Friends and students, today's thought of the day. The two most important days in your life are the day you are born, the day you find out why. So friends, failure is the opportunity to begin again more intelligently. So keep it up. So coming to my class, friends, today also I am taking like yesterday's class, last class spelling activities. Here I am teaching activity based teachings in the primary classrooms. So the activity another based spelling development activities. Here look at here friends. Here I am taking the participants of students. So here I am teaching in this session fact 1, fact 2, fact 3. These three facts I am teaching in spelling development activity. So first fact 1, coming to fact 1. So the facilitator asks the participants to say some words using Q. Ask the students some words of Q. Here look at here some words I'm taking here some words given quest, quack, quarrel, quick, quid. These are the spellings of some words of Q. So ask the students to say and write the words of Q. The letter Q always follows U. Write it. Q is always written as QU. It never stands by itself. It follows Q. The Q is follows Q and U. Here, look at here. Q and U. QU. Look at these words and identify the place QU in each word. Here are given some words. Ask the student to read and identify Q and U in each word. Here you look at here. QUIZ, quiz. QUICK, quick. Tranquility, TRANQUILITY, tranquility. Queen, QUEEN, QUILL. EQAUALITY, equality. SQUID, squid. QUACK, quack. So you identify QU words like this. Ask the students, underline QA following words and underline these letters following Q and U. So this is fact 1. Fact 2. Coming to fact 2. Here I am explaining about C. C is followed by E, I or Y. It says yes. Otherwise it says K. C says otherwise K. Because E, I or Y. So it says S. Example, center. CENTRE, center. Ceiling, circle, cycle. Cottage, cave, cream, curious, clever. So read these spellings. Ask the students to read spellings. CEILING, CIRCLE. Circle, CYCLE, cycle. COTTAGE, cottage. CAVE, cave. So read these words and circle the words. Coming to C followed words. And coming to these words, followed words and circle words according to the above mentioned rule. That is followed C, E, I or Y. CY. Look at here. CY. Symbols. CY. Here. K words. Following by K words. Here. Following by CY. CI. 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 So where are the CI? CY or CI? Circus, symbols, cycle, circus. These are the words. So K words. Otherwise it says K words. What are that? King, keep, cork, culture, cons. CORN, con says K word. CARRY, carry says K symbol, K word. So here, what it says? Yes, EIY. So these are the fact 2. Coming to fact 3. Read these words. Read these words. Either, look at here, either, society, brief, height, weird, there, science, priest, foreign, ancient, thief, relief, belief. So read spelling also. EITHER. Ask the student to read spelling. EITHER. Either. SOCIETY. Society. BRIEF. Brief. BELIEF. Belief, like this. So I comes before E. When it is pronounced, I comes before E. Look at here. Before E, after E. See, I comes before E. So underline and identify these words. EIIE, like this. So like these words. I comes before. So note this. I comes before E. When it is pronounced EE, except when it follows C. For example, here, brief, field, priest, receive, deceive, sealing. So these words fill in the blanks here. Give it to students, fill in the blanks. Some letters you missed and give. RELIEVE, relieve. So before E, the I comes. What are the words? I coming words before E. WEIRD, GLACIE, IE based words. THEIR, there. Ancient, ANCIENT. So these are the some more words. So friends and students, please develop phonic awareness. Phonemic awareness is critical to spelling development. Understand phonemic nature of spelling. The student needs to understand that written English is based on phonemic code. So please develop spelling activity, develop facilitator and participants, phonemic nature of spelling. The phonemic nature of spelling. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Please follow the activity based classroom teachings. Bye bye. Thank you. Please subscribe.